Hello guys, thank you for watching Flourish and Flora, and if you're new here, please subscribe and please click that like and notification bell as well so you'll be updated for all new videos. Thank you! Okay guys, so in today's video, I'm going to show you another unboxing. So the unboxing for today is... ta-da! Another box. Yeah, so I'll open it this way. This way. Yes! Let's see what's in there. Wow. Another Blu-ray. So this is Transporter 1 and 3.
1, 2, and 3.
1, 2, and 3.
The 3 original Jason Statham Transporter
Oh,
films.
it's Jason.
Well,
Is it the 3 of them?
Yeah, we watched the first one the other night on TV.
Oh, which one is that? Ah, Transporter.
Yeah.
Yes,
like
yes, yes, I remember.
Hired driver to criminals.
Ah, yes, yes.
And they were trying to kill him.
Yeah, and then the lady.
Oriental girl in the boot.
Yeah, this one. I remember that one. I love Jason.
These are the 3 original. They made another one more recently, but it wasn't Jason Statham, so I didn't bother getting that one.
Oh. So this is 3 films in this one, guys.
Yeah, 3,
So,
3 separate Blu-ray discs.
So, here.
1, 2, and 3.
So, so it's the Transporter, the Mission, and then Transporter 3.
Yes.
Oh. So that's
And
good.
I think the second one is special edition, which is a bit longer than the cinema one. Director's cut.
So we haven't seen these 2 yet.
I don't think so.
Oh, okay. Let's see this.
This is a German release.
German.
The UK release was no longer available.
Ah, see. Okay, German. 290 minutes. Oh, so Dutch and English. See, it's in here.
You can have the German dub versions on there as well. As well as the original English.
Oh. So that's nice. So the cover is, I find it a bit dark.
Yeah, it is too dark.
Too dark.
Can hardly see anything.
Yeah.
The main top bit.
It's like his shadow.
Yeah.
So and here is a fire. It's on fire. The Transporter 1, 2, and 3. Oh, wow! So this is good. This is 3. So you bought this, so 3
Box
in
set.
1
Yeah.
box sets. Yeah, I like box sets because it's cheaper, is it?
Yeah, usually works out cheaper.
Yeah, because you get
Buying
more
them separately.
than what you paid for, is it?
Yeah.
Amazing. Amazing. So you know the rules, guy. I cannot open until we watch it.
We're ready to watch.
When we're ready to watch. So just see this.
Transporter 1, 2, and 3.
1, 2, and 3.
Starring Jason Statham.
Jason Statham. And that is on the side. And oh, nothing. So just that. And there.
Yes.
So I like Jason Statham. So I remember my friend who is a YouTuber, and she said that her house is a couple of houses away from Jason's house. And she's inviting
In
me
the
there.
UK?
Yeah, in the UK. So at one point I'm going there. Because she saw the one I upload Jason Statham, and then she told me about it. And she said you better come here and see his house. So, okay guys, so this is the unboxing for today. The Transporter 1, 2 and 3.
Box set, Blu-ray.
Box sets, Blu-ray. Box sets or box
Set.
set? Box set. Yeah. Alright. Okay guys, thank you for watching and see you on my next video. Tara! Love, love, love.